Hello Sharks, my name is Chris Reyes and I'm bringing to you an app called Team Tracker. I believe that this app has the opportunity to change the way university athletic departments communicate with their athletes. Some of my past works are website design. At Team Tracker I know what it means to give each project the personalized attention it deserves. I always strive to deliver state-of-the-art designs that bring my clients' visions to life. This project is a great example of how I am able to keep my clients' interests in mind by creating unique visual elements. The reason why I thought of creating this app was because as a former student athlete who wanted to create an application that can both help student athletes and their coaches keep track of where and when certain events are, an example, classes, school events, games, practice, etc. As an individual who had a hard time keeping track of events that were coming up, I thought that creating something along the lines of Team Tracker would be a great idea for all athletic departments. Team Tracker features location services. Through the location services, coaches and athletic staff are able to send the athlete a request to share their location to be sure they are in class or in their dorm room. There are countless times where athletic departments get into trouble because their teams aren't following the school-wide attendance policy. Along with having the students sharing their location on a weeknight, possibly, when they have a 5 a.m. practice or conditioning session the next morning. As a coach, you want to be sure that your athletes are back in their dorm rooms or homes getting the right amount of rest. The next Team Tracker feature is the calendar. I'm really proud of this work, which was aimed at making students' and coaches' lives much easier. By applying the students' information at the start of their academic school year, you would input the athlete's class schedule and practice times. I was once a student athlete and found it hard to keep track of what I had coming up certain weeks. Time management was always stressed throughout the 5 years which I played, but as an individual with ADD, I found myself doing other things rather than managing the specific tasks that I needed to take care of. This is why I thought this would be a great idea for an app. The calendar can be accessed and edited from both ends, that being the student athlete and the staff. These options are given to both parties so there won't be any miscommunications between the two in terms of event scheduling, practice scheduling, tutoring, and class schedules. There are countless times where there is a scheduling conflict that can cause the student to get in trouble for not letting the staff know what they were doing or what they had coming up. The staff may think that their player was just blowing them off for a certain event. And this isn't something that you'd want to happen when you're trying to teach your players a thing or two about time management like I got into. And then the final feature that the app has is instant messaging. The messaging can be used in a group setting or an individual setting depending on who you're trying to reach out to. There are times where the athletic trainer may want to get in touch with a certain individual in case of maybe an emergency. Say the team doctor wanted to get in touch with the athlete, see how they're doing. Or maybe the training staff just wanted to check up on them, see if they have any lingering injuries. So I'd like to thank you guys for your time and the opportunity. Uh, Here is my contact information and also a link to our website. I hope you guys have a good day.